All right, welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive in. Today we're tackling investments.
Ooh, investing. Always a good one.
Definitely. We got a snippet actually called Best Investment Options.
Okay, yeah.
And, well, it's not a whole lot to work with, but
To start, got to start somewhere.
exactly. It's like a springboard for us, right? For
Yeah.
this deep dive.
Love that. A springboard. So are we thinking like people who want to grow their money, retirement planning?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the sweet spot. I mean, or even just like,
Just figuring out like where should my money even go?
right. Exactly. So, okay, this snippet's pretty basic, but it brings up this big question.
Hey on me.
What are the actual options out there? Like everyone throws around stocks, bonds, real estate.
Oh, for sure.
But like, what does this even mean? And how do you pick what's right?
Okay, so think of it like choosing your path on a hike, right?
Okay, I like where this is going.
Some paths, they're tough, steep climbs, but amazing views at the top.
High risk, high reward, kind of.
Exactly, that's your stocks. Potential for big growth, but also can be super volatile.
So stocks are for folks who like a wild ride,
Yeah.
not afraid of a little dot drop.
You got it. If you're in it for the long haul, higher risk tolerance, yeah, stocks might be your jam.
Makes sense. What about like bonds? Those seem a little more...
Chill, much more chill. Bonds are like the scenic, gentle path, more stable returns you can kind of predict.
So less stressful.
Way less. Good for folks who want that steady, reliable kind of growth.
Now, what about index funds or ETFs? Aren't those supposed to be like safer too?
They can be. Think of an index fund, like a big basket of stocks, right?
Okay, I'm picturing it.
And it tracks like a whole market index. S&P 500, that's a popular one.
Right. I've heard of that.
So you get diversification right away. Your money's spread across all these companies.
So it's not all on like one company doing well.
Exactly. Less risky that way. And ETFs, similar idea, but they can track like different types of assets.
And not just stock.
Nope. Real estate, commodities, all sorts of things. Plus, they're traded on exchanges, just like stocks.
So more flexibility there.
Yeah. But I get it. It's a lot to take in, right? How do you even choose?
That's what I'm thinking. Like, where do you even begin?
This is where knowing your risk tolerance is key.
Like, how much money I'm okay losing?
That's part of it, but it's bigger than that. It's your goals, how long you want to invest for, even your personality.
Personality, interesting.
Usually, if you're someone who's like checking stock prices every 5 minutes, stressing over dips.
Yeah, some people are like that.
Maybe high risk, high reward isn't the best fit, even if you've got time on your side.
So it's not just about the numbers.
Nope. It's personal. Some people love researching, picking individual stocks, being hands-on.
Yeah, they find it fun.
Right. Others, they want it simple. Set it and forget it, like index funds all the way.
So different strokes for different folks.
You got it. There's the classic 60% stocks, 40% bonds, kind of the balanced approach.
Right. The old reliable.
Exactly. Solid returns, moderate risk, historically. But some folks now are saying with inflation.
Yeah, I got to beat inflation.
Right. You might need more stocks in the mix now.
To get those higher returns.
Yep. It all boils down to what are your goals? What are you comfy with?
Okay, all this makes sense, but I'm thinking about people who are busy.
Oh, for sure.
They don't have hours to spend researching or like managing their portfolio.
Totally valid. That's where robo-advisors come in. Super popular now.
Robo-advisors. What are those exactly?
Basically, they use these algorithms, right, to build and manage your portfolio for you.
Based on like my risk tolerance and goals.
Exactly, like having a personal financial advisor, but way cheaper.
Interesting. So we started with this tiny snippet, and now we've got stocks, bonds, index funds, ETFs, robo-advisors.
It's a whole world out there.
It really is. It's amazing how many ways there are to reach your financial goals.
And we haven't even touched on like real estate, precious metals, even cryptocurrency.
Oh, true. Okay, so lots more to explore.
Tons. Each with their own risks and rewards.
Right, so this was just the tip of the iceberg, really.
Exactly. But even so, I think we've hit on some important questions.
Definitely. Like, what are your financial goals? What risk are you actually okay with?
Yeah. And are you a DIY investor, or do you want someone else to handle it?
Big questions.
So,
but I think the answers are key.
Totally key. They'll guide you to the right path for you.
So as you're out there exploring all these options,
which you should,
think about, what kind of investor do you want to be? Steady growth, high risk, high reward.
What feels right, what matches your values, all that good stuff.
That's what'll lead you to the best choices for you. All right, everyone, that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for listening and happy investing.
Happy investing.
All right, welcome back.